What if I say that I found a new, advanced way to learn trading? In this video I will share with you 3 efficient ways to learn market analysis with ChatGPT. From analyzing trends to forecasting insights, we'll be covering it all. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. Our today's sponsor is Top Trading Signal. I know this guy from TradingView. He has a massive following there. He has a free Telegram channel where he shares daily forecasts and signals. Subscribe to his channel using the link in the description below, and let's continue. I was looking for the way to ask ChatGPT to analyze the price chart. And of course, you cannot simply make a screenshot of the chart and send it to ChatGPT. You need something else. And here is the solution that I found. Take a look at the chart. It is the candlestick chart, and the candlestick chart consists of the candlesticks. And each candlestick has 4 very important values. It has the candlestick opening level, the high, the low, and the closing level. And that data is sufficient enough for ChatGPT to execute the analysis. So our task is to find the way to extract the data from the chart so we could get the data about all the candlesticks that we see. Unfortunately, we can do that on TradingView. Here on the top right corner, we have the export chart data button. And if we click that, here, the only thing that we should change, we should select the ISO time and we should click export. And here's what we got from TradingView. Here we have the text file where we have the time, open, high, low, and close of each candle. And that array of data we can apply for analysis with ChatGPT. So let me show you now how can you apply that data for analysis. The first way to apply that data is to ask ChatGPT to help us to analyze the market trend, to help us to identify the direction of the market. And in order to do that, what we need to do, we simply need to identify the starting point, the point from where we will execute the trend analysis. And I decided to start the trend analysis from the beginning of May. I thought that it is a very good starting point, so let's analyze the data from the 1st of May. The second step will be to select the desired time period in the text file. So as we discussed, we will analyze the market trend from the beginning of May. And here we can find the dates on the left. So we find the 1st May and we take all the candlesticks up to the current date and we copy them. And now let's open the ChatGPT. And a quick reminder is that because of the restrictions of ChatGPT in my country, we will apply the Telegram bot with ChatGPT. And here is our question to ChatGPT. Here is the candlestick chart of gold in the following format. And then we should clarify the format of the data that we will provide. It is the time, open, high, low, and close. And then we paste the data from the text file. So we paste that data. And finally, we ask, please analyze the market trend. And now take a look how perfectly ChatGPT fills the current market situation. The ChatGPT perfectly spotted that at the beginning of May, the market was bullish. We were trading in a bullish trend. But then once that high was reached, from that high, strong bearish movement started. And even though for some time the market was consolidating, the market dropped lower and we finished slightly recovering. So you can see that Chat can easily read the data from TradingView, and that data we can apply even in more advanced ways. But what if I see if we can apply the exported data to ask ChatGPT to identify the key level for us? We are on silver chart, daily time frame, and let's try to identify the key levels with ChatGPT from that important high. In order to do that, again, let's export the data and let's see what ChatGPT does. And here's our question to ChatGPT. Again, here is the candlestick chart of silver in the following format: time, open, high, low, close. And then we input the exported data, the data from the force of me. And then we should pose very precise question. Give me the most important recent key levels. And we should clarify the format. So we should say in format key level 1, just price of key level, yes, etc. And look, ChatGPT quite quickly provides us with the key levels. ChatGPT gives us 7 key levels. So let's open chart of silver and let's draw this key level. So here are the 7 key levels on silver chart. And what surprises me, traders, is the fact that most of these key levels are valid and most of these key levels are price action based. And important disclaimer right here is that, of course, occasionally ChatGPT can be wrong, but when you are learning structure analysis, when you learn how to identify key levels, you can draw your key levels first, and then you can compare your key levels with the key levels that ChatGPT identified, and the key levels that match will be the valid key levels. And the last case will be very specific. I will show you how can you apply ChatGPT for breakout trading. In order to analyze the breakout with ChatGPT, first of all, you should underline the key level or the supply and demand zone that is broken. And here in pound dollar, I have spotted the breakout of that supply zone on a daily. You can see that here we have quite wide area that was broken. One more thing that we need right here is volumes, because the fact is that ChatGPT can analyze not only the candlesticks, but ChatGPT can also analyze the indicators. And checking the volumes, we should also add one more thing. We should add the average volumes. So with that, let's export the data. And take a look at our exported data. Now we have the time open, high, low, close, but also we have the volume and the average volumes. So with that, let's pose a question to ChatGPT. And our question to ChatGPT will be, could you help me to assess the probabilities that the breakout is valid or false using the following data? And then we should clarify for the chat the boundaries of the supply zone that is broken. So we say supply zone boundaries, and we should give the exact levels, the exact boundaries of the zone. So you can see that I give the precise levels, and then we should give the breakout candle data. So we see breakout candle data format first, and our data format is time open, high, low, close, volume, and the average volume. And then we paste the data of our breakout candle. That is our question. And take a look how perfectly ChatGPT analyzes the breakout. First of all, Chat confirms that the breakout candle closed above the zone of supply, increasing the probabilities that the breakout is valid. However, it says that the volumes are below the average. That is the important warning. And ChatGPT says that it is recommendable to monitor the consequent price action and watch how the price acts above the broken structure. The idea is, traders, that you can apply that to learn breakout trading. It will help you to get when the breakout is valid, when it is false, when the situation is mixed, and of course you can combine that with something else. What I like about analyzing the key levels, the breakouts, the market trend with ChatGPT is that you analyze the real example, and ChatGPT shares very intriguing thinking process, and it analyzes the objective data, and it shows you what exactly you should look at and how exactly you should reason. Traders, remember that there are hundreds of different ways to apply ChatGPT for analyzing the market data. And I really want you to do your own research, and I want you to look for the new methods to apply AI for trading. Secondly, I want you to realize the fact that, like classic technical indicators, ChatGPT is simply the tool in your toolbox, and ChatGPT can make mistakes as well. So remember that you should always execute your own analysis, and you always should check the analysis that ChatGPT provides. Let me know in the comment section, how do you apply ChatGPT in trading? Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.